sleep in this inn? The king said, no, you can't sleep in this inn, and don't call it an inn, this is my palace. Then he said that who owned this palace? The king said, my father owned this palace. Then he said, who owned this palace before you? He said, my grandfather owned his palace. So then he said that when people have come here, lived here and gone, then how can you call this place as a palace? It has to be an inn. So this truly signifies that nothing is permanent in our lives, and we must be able to embrace the change, help others, and be humble in our lives in whatever we do and whatever we are. The second thing is that we need to control our thoughts. Anger is our biggest enemy. Anger can worsen relationships. Anger can aggravate the situations. When you know how to control your thoughts, everything comes under control. You become more, peaceful from inside, and that brings positive results in your life. So people generally are not able to control their anger, and that becomes a negative point for them, and it becomes a reason for their depression, their sufferings. So I'm going to share one more story which signifies the importance of not losing the anger. So a student went to the master. He asked that I have a big problem of anger. I'm not able to control my anger. Then the teacher asked, okay, if this is so, then can you show it to me? He said, not right now. Then he asked, why not now? Then the student said that it occurs to me suddenly. To this the master was shocked. He said that then that can't be an inherent part of your nature. The student remembered these golden words of his master whenever he felt that the temper arose. He understood that something which was not his inherent nature, he was wasting time thinking about it when he should have focused his thoughts on something other than that, something more different, something more creative. So you must understand that nothing is inherent part, which is not inherent part of your nature. You must forego those things. You must not let those negative thoughts in your mind, and feed your mind with only good and positive thoughts to see the positive results, to see the beautiful atmosphere we live in, and to have better feelings and have solidarity for others. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Thank you and have a